Let's talk about something every successful entrepreneur needs: resilience. Resilience means bouncing back when things don't go as planned. It means getting up, learning, and trying again. Every business owner faces setbacks. What matters is not avoiding them, but how you respond. Let's start with a growth mindset. A growth mindset means seeing challenges as chances to learn. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," you say, "I can't do this, but yet." That one word changes everything. Next is emotional strength. It's okay to feel disappointed. What matters is managing those feelings, staying positive, and asking for support when you need it. Strong people are not the ones who do everything alone. They are the ones who know when to ask for help. Then there is persistence. Don't give up after one setback. Try a different approach. Remember why you started in the first place? That reason is your why. And finally, have a learning attitude. Every failure teaches you something. Write down what you learned. Use it to do better next time. Some of the most successful people in history failed many times. Colonel Sanders was rejected over 1,000 times before someone believed in his chicken recipe. Thomas Edison tried hundreds of times before inventing the light bulb. He said he didn't fail. He learned what didn't work. Walt Disney was told he had no creativity, and his first company went bankrupt, but he kept going. Your lemonade stand might face challenges too. That does not mean you should stop. It means you are learning. In a moment, you'll think about your personal why, what you'll tell yourself when things get hard, who you can ask for help, and how you've already proven you are strong. Remember this, it's not about never falling down. It's about always getting back up. Go ahead and start the activity. You've got this.